what's up, tech family? Welcome back to Sketch Motion, where we break down tech in a way anyone can understand. I'm your guy Benedict BK, and today's video is not just another tutorial on motivational talk. It is a full-on beginner map into the world of tech. This is part one of a powerful series called How to Get Started with Tech. So whether you have no laptop, no money, no experience, or you are just curious, this is the right video for you. By the end of this video, you will not only understand what tech is, but also know where you fit into it, how to start with just your phone, and how to begin your journey with zero to confident beginner with free tools, free courses, and a plan. Now, the first chapter is what is technology? Like, what really is technology? Now, let's break it down. What exactly is tech? Now, most people think tech is only for people who are coding 24/7, writing lines of code in dark room, building apps, speaking in computer languages. But tech is much more than coding. Tech is creativity. Tech is communication. Tech is strategies. Tech is digital problem solving. Here's how I like to define tech: using digital tools to solve problems or create values. So tech includes one, building websites, designing apps interface. Tech can also be editing videos, also analyzing data, teaching others through tech, even creating content about tech like we are doing right now. All of that part is tech. It's not just programming, and the best part is there is a part for every type of personality in tech. So if you have ever said, I am not good in computers, I want you to remove that thought right now, because the tech has grown so big that even your creativity, your storytelling, your eye for detail can become your superpower. Now let's go to the chapter 2 of this video, which is who is tech for. Tech is not just for tech gurus or university graduates with laptop. No, tech is for students with just a smartphone, the stay-at-home mom who wants to learn video editing. It can also be for the artist who wants to design user interfaces. Also the person who loves talking and wants to teach tech on YouTube. And also the hustler looking for global freelance opportunities. And also I have seen security guards become software testers. Like I have seen them. I have seen makeup artists switch into UI to UX design. I have seen some jobless graduates land full-time in jobs just by watching free YouTube tutorials. So believe me when I say tech is for you. And you know what makes tech special? You can start for free. You don't need to pay 500,000 naira for a course. The internet is your classroom and your determination is your school fees. Now let's go to this chapter 3, which is find your path. Now let's talk about something very important. Don't just jump into tech randomly. You need to first ask, what part of tech fits me best? Here's a little breakdown. If you enjoy numbers, logic, or solving puzzles, you can choose data analysis, software development. Also, you can choose cybersecurity. Now, if you are curious about how apps and AI work, you can choose machine learning, prompt engineering, Python programming. Now, take a moment, pause the video if you need to. Ask yourself, do I like visual stuff? Do I enjoy logical facts? Am I good at communicating, or am I a good communicator? Do I like problem solving? That is how you pick a tech path. Start with your personality and your interests. Now let's go to the chapter 4, which is popular tech fields you can start. Now let's go to chapter 4, which is popular tech fields you can start. Now let's go over some real life tech fields you can start exploring, even as a complete beginner. Now let's go over some real life tech fields you can start exploring, even as a complete beginner. Now for the first skill is web development, which you can build websites using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Another one, UI through UX design, which design how apps and websites look and feel. The third one is mobile app development, to build apps for Android and iOS. The fourth one is video editing. You can create YouTube videos, add content for TikTok. The fifth one is graphic design, which can use to make logos, flyers, and social media posts. The sixth one is data analysis. This one you can analyze data using Excel, Python, and SQL. The seventh is maybe the cybersecurity. Learn how to protect data systems and data. The eighth one is tech content creation, which you can teach others on YouTube, TikTok, Medium. The ninth one is AI, artificial intelligence, like learn ChatGPT, prompt engineering, freelancing tech, artificial intelligence, which you can learn ChatGPT, prompt engineering. The 10th is freelancing tech services like SEO, virtual assistants, and automations. Now, start by picking one path and focus on the basics for 30 to 60 days. Now, let's head over to the chapter 5, which is starting with just your phone. Okay, you might be thinking, but Benedict, I don't even have a laptop. But no worries, a lot of people started tech with just their phone. Here is how you can start tech using only your phone. 1. Using solo learning app, learn to code. 2. Enki app for coding and data basics. 3. Double Tree Schools, learning HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. 4. Figma Mobile, practice UI through UX. 5. CapCut, video editing. Canva for graphic design. YouTube, watch free tutorials. Notion or Google Keep for note taking. Now let's head over to the chapter 6, which is free resources to learn tech. Now see, here is the best part. You can start learning tech with free resources. Check this out. freecodecamp.org, full coding platform. You also have the Odin project, which is for web development roadmap. We also have CS50 Harvard, which is a free computer science course. We also have the front end mentor, which is real world front end project. We also have the screen bar for interactive coding lessons. We also have the figma.com for design tools. We also have the Coursera or edX, which is for free university courses. We also have the YouTube channels like BroCode, Next Ninja, Fireship, and Sketchmotion channel. Now stick to one path, don't jump around, focus and grow. Now let's head over to the chapter 7, which is daily practice routine. Here is a simple 1 hour daily tech learning routine. Now 15 minutes watch a tutorial, 20 minutes practice what you learned, 10 minutes take notes, 15 minutes share progress on social media. Also join tech communities like 100 days of code on Twitter, tech discoveries, even tech Discord servers, WhatsApp through Telegram tech groups. Guess what? You grow faster when you are in a community. Now let's move to chapter 8, which is building your first project. After 2 to 4 weeks of learning, build your first project. It may be a portfolio website, a simple design on Figma, maybe a mini app clone, a basic Excel data report, a social media post with Canva, or project show your skill. Upload to GitHub, Notion, or Behance. Share online. Let's move to the chapter 9, which is what's next. Now you have chosen a tech path, found free learning platforms, built a daily plan, started your first project. Now what is next? Watch part 2, which is how to build a portfolio and get your first tech gig. Join the Tech Grind Challenge. Drop your tech path in the comments. DM or tag at Sketchmotion if you want to connect. You are no longer clueless. You are now on the path. Now let's go. Now, thanks for watching to the end of this beginners tech masterclass. Drop an emoji in the comments if you made it to the end. Subscribe for part 2. Like and share this video. Comment what you want me to teach next. This is Benedict from Sketchmotion. Stay curious and keep building peace. Love you guys.